now have a copy of the arrest report from the Metropolitan Police Department. So this individual was arrested by the U.S. Secret Service, but then processed by the Metropolitan Police Department here in Washington, D.C. And in this arrest report, the suspect said, quote, "I am a friend of the president. I have an appointment and I jumped the fence." So this is the first kind of insight that we're getting into the motivation of this individual to jump the fence, as Jeff said, and then try and gain access to the White House. It doesn't appear to be malicious intent, at least based on this quote. His hope was to have a conversation with President Trump. It reminds me of back in the summer when that young man tried to scale Trump Tower with a similar intention of trying to just get an audience with the then candidate Trump. So we're still learning all the information, but that still doesn't downplay at all the significance of this major security breach for him to be able to get over a fence on the south side of the White House, get across the White House lawn and gain entrance, or I shouldn't say entrance, but get close to that south portico entrance, which we should point out would put him only about 200 feet from the president's window, his bedroom window, and the president was in the residence at the time. This is certainly something that Secret Service is going to have to take a very close look at, and perhaps further changes and reforms will be made to the security situation.